Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Below is an informative tutorial on creating a Jenkins pipeline using Python. This tutorial assumes you have Jenkins installed and configured. Title: Creating a Jenkins Python pipeline with code example. Jenkins is a popular open-source automation server that allows you to automate the building, testing, and deployment of your software projects. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the process of setting up a Jenkins pipeline using Python. We'll create a simple pipeline that involves checking out a Python project from a version control system, running tests, and deploying the application. Create a new pipeline project. Configure pipeline source. Write a Jenkins file. Example Jenkinsfile. This example assumes your Python project has a requirements.txt file and uses pytest for testing. Adjust the script according to your project's structure and requirements. Save and run. Congratulations! You have successfully set up a Jenkins pipeline for a Python project. This example is a starting point, and you can customize the pipeline to fit your specific needs, incorporating additional stages, steps, and integrations. Jenkins pipelines provide a powerful and flexible way to automate your software delivery process, enabling you to achieve continuous integration and continuous deployment for your project.